Film dibuka dengan memperlihatkan puluhan orang yang tak sadarkan diri di suatu ruangan gelap. Seorang perempuan yang sadar lebih dulu mencoba untuk bergerak keluar lingkaran, namun alarm yang sangat keras terdengar, membuatnya kembali pada posisi semula.
Hello? Hello?
Ia pun tak bisa mundur atau menyentuh orang lain di dekatnya karena alarm peringatan terus berbunyi tiap ia melakukannya. Seorang pria menyadari keberadaan benda asing di tengah-tengah ruangan dan menyimpulkan kalau benda itu sangat berbahaya karena mengeluarkan listrik yang telah membunuh seorang perempuan karena berusaha keluar dari lingkarannya. Kini mereka tahu nyawa mereka terancam. Orang-orang di ruangan mulai tersadar dan mereka semua kebingungan dan juga panik karena melihat beberapa orang telah terbunuh oleh sengatan listrik yang berasal dari mesin pembunuh itu. Mayat orang-orang yang telah terbunuh menghilang dengan sendirinya karena ditarik oleh sesuatu yang misterius.
Okay, now.
Seorang pria Asia menyadari bahwa mereka bisa mengendalikan serangan listrik tersebut untuk membunuh orang-orang yang ditunjukkannya melalui panah yang berada di lingkaran. Mereka punya kuasa untuk memilih siapa yang akan mati berikutnya.
Look at your hands. When you move them, it changes the floor.
Oh shit. Yeah.
You guys seen this? The lights on the floor. You see it move?
Seorang perempuan hamil memahami dan menjelaskan cara bermain setelah memperhatikan dan menyimpulkan keadaan di sekitarnya. Mesin itu akan membunuh siapa saja yang mendapat suara terbanyak dari hasil pemilihan yang ditentukan dengan mengepalkan tangan ketika panah mengarah pada target.
It's a vote. What? We're voting. Look, they're killing whoever gets the most votes.
How do you know that?
Because the chimes go off when you close your hands. And that's when you choose.
Semua orang mencoba berbagai cara untuk memahami permainan tersebut yang terus memakan korban di tiap 2 menit berikutnya. Pada percobaan berikutnya, mereka mencoba untuk tidak mengambil suara sama sekali dan berpikir bahwa hal itu dapat menghentikan jatuhnya korban. Sayangnya perkiraan mereka salah. Ketika mereka tidak membuat pilihan sama sekali, mesin itu menentukan pilihannya sendiri.
How do we know that won't kill us all? Okay, there's nothing we can do. We're all screwed.
Let's try not voting again.
Please.
Is it over?
Everybody, let's ride this out. We don't choose, it chooses us.
Seorang pria muda menyarankan agar mereka mengulur waktu dengan memilih para lansia terlebih dahulu. Lama mereka mencari tahu jalan keluar untuk menyelamatkan diri. Sempat terjadi perdebatan di antara mereka karena beberapa orang merasa keputusan memilih lansia tidaklah manusiawi. Namun tak ada ide yang lebih bagus dan tepat lagi untuk mereka mengulur waktu.
The way I see it, they the next people to die in real life, right? What's the difference? He's right. Old people first.
Which one first?
We'll start with him. Go clockwise after that. 1, 2, 3.
No, wait a minute.
4, 5, 6. And I see 5 or 6 people in their 70s and 80s. If this is a vote, I say they go first. That'll buy us some time.
Please.
No, hell.
They'd be the next to die anyway.
Yeah, of natural causes, not of us killing them.
What's the difference?
This is crazy.
We're sorry. It's the only way.
But I have just as much of a right to live as any of you.
You've lived your life, old man.
Please. Please!
Beberapa dari mereka menyimpulkan bahwa ini adalah perbuatan alien dan beberapa yang lainnya mencoba untuk mengingat kejadian sebelum mereka terbangun di ruangan asing itu. Seorang pria menceritakan potongan-potongan kejadian yang diingatnya hingga pengingat waktu untuk memilih terdengar lagi.
Yeah, everybody was running.
Yeah, and then everything went dark.
That's what I remember.
And there were a ton of bodies piled up on one another. I assumed that they were dead, but I don't know, they might have just been unconscious. But the next time that I could see, I was in a small room and everything was red, like a dark room.
Fuck.
So are we in the ship now?
Why would they do this?
I don't know. Everything else is kind of a blur. I just remember waking up right here, and there was some kind of gas. I think that we were all drugged.
Does anybody else remember anything? Come on, anybody!
Pria lansia yang mendapat giliran berikutnya mulai panik dan mengarang cerita bohong tentang alien yang ia katakan besar, berwarna hijau, dan seperti orang Cina. Semua orang mengetahui ia berbohong karena ketakutan menjadi pilihan selanjutnya. Hal itu tidak mengubah apa-apa. Semua orang tetap memilihnya untuk menjadi korban ketika pengingat waktu untuk menentukan pilihan berikutnya.
Anybody?
Yeah, I do.
You.
Yeah, and I saw him. And I saw them.
Well, what did they look like?
It sounded almost like Chinese.
Chinese.
Big and black, dark green maybe.
And these aliens?
Bullshit. He's lying.
Yeah, he's next in line. He's just trying to buy some time.
No, I swear. Give me some time to think. It's a trick. Don't believe him. It's coming back to me. It's coming back. Numbers. I remember numbers. And there was something else.
Beberapa orang mulai menunjuk seorang perempuan yang baru sembuh dari kanker untuk dipilih selanjutnya. Namun, terjadi perdebatan di antara mereka dan membuat pilihan jatuh kepada seorang pria yang terus berbicara agar perempuan penderita kanker itu menjadi pilihan selanjutnya.
Wait, who's next in line?
Her. With the hat.
Who, me?
Yeah. How old are you?
52?
Don't lie.
I'm 52.
Bullshit.
Yeah, why is your hair so white?
Chemotherapy. I had cancer.
Aren't you supposed to be, bald then? What kind of cancer?
Breast cancer.
You sure?
Yeah. I beat it.
Could come back though.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
I'm just saying, she's more likely to die than the rest of us.
That's not true.
What are you, a doctor, lady?
Hey, now, just hold on a second. Let's... I'm just trying to help.
Percobaan-percobaan terus dilakukan oleh mereka untuk memahami permainan maut yang dijalani. Kini mereka berusaha saling mengenal satu sama lain. Seorang perempuan bernama Beth memperkenalkan diri. Namun perkenalan itu terlalu lama. Pengingat waktu mulai berbunyi, Beth mulai panik dan orang-orang kebingungan. Listrik menyengat Beth hingga tewas dan membuat beberapa orang jadi bersedih melihat hal itu.
We need to know more about each other.
I'll go first. Hi, I'm Beth. I live in Woodland Hills, California, but originally I'm from Richmond, Virginia, born and raised. I've worked in human resources for the past 11 years. I'm 36, single, but I do have 2 nephews from my sister Noreen. She's actually my twin sister. I actually went to college to be an English major, University of Virginia, and I have 2 cats, JJ and Ricky. about it? Is there anything else I should say?
No, that's great. Great job. Who wants to go next?
Kemanusiaan mereka mulai dipertanyakan satu sama lain. Beberapa orang sepakat untuk tidak lagi menyebutkan nama mereka lagi dalam memperkenalkan diri.
Beth.
At least she didn't have kids.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
That doesn't matter. She was still a human being, just like any of you.
Maybe we shouldn't say our names.
Di antara mereka ada yang mengenal satu sama lain, sepasang yang mengaku suami istri dan sepasang yang merupakan teman selingkuh. Mesin kembali merenggut nyawa seseorang.
Anyone else related? My name's Craig.
Hey, no names.
Right, I'm sorry. Anyway, the reason I'm saying anything is because my wife is standing next to me. I thought that would be important. That can't just be a coincidence, right?
How?
We're, co-workers.
Neighbors.
Never mind. It's not important.
Fair. Got it.
Kekacauan mulai terjadi ketika orang-orang mulai saling menuduh dan memojokkan satu sama lain agar mereka bisa mempertahankan nyawanya. Aib dan sifat buruk orang-orang di ruangan itu mulai terbongkar satu sama lain yang kemudian menjadi penentu hasil pemilihan mereka. Yang dipilih kemudian adalah orang-orang menyebalkan dengan sifat yang buruk. Pada akhirnya, hal itu benar-benar diterapkan. Mereka mulai menilai moral, nilai hidup, dan apa yang diperbuat dalam kehidupannya.
I know him.
I don't know you, man.
You're a mechanic in North Hollywood. Raul.
He beat the shit out of his girlfriend.
Raul Jimenez. Really bad.
You sure it was him?
Yeah. I remember him because of that tattoo under his right eye. That teardrop, see it?
Maybe we're supposed to figure out who's good and who's bad.
World doesn't work that way, sweetheart.
She shouldn't have fucked around on me, man!
Like that makes it okay to beat the shit out of him.
Oh, yeah? What are you gonna do, man? You gonna shoot me? Huh? Pig?
I don't think I need to.
Well, we should at least consider it.
Consider what?
What she means is,
Who deserves to live?
There has to be a reason behind all of this, right?
Okay. Based on what?
Based on everything. Morals, values, what you have or haven't done in life. I think we need to put it all out.
And we got plenty of time standing around debating everybody's character.
Well, we're here to do something.
It's to die.
Tekanan dan waktu yang mengejar mereka membuat keadaan memanas. Seorang pria berkulit hitam mulai mengatakan hal-hal rasis dan memojokkan rasnya sendiri. Mereka bertengkar hingga seorang polisi menjadi sasaran berikutnya.
Nobody cares.
Exactly, nobody gives a shit.
I ain't talking to your stupid ass.
I'm trying to help you, bro!
Yo, shut the fuck up talking to me, man.
It's not gonna fucking help you.
That's what's wrong with this country now. Socialist bullshit. You guys are all the same. You run around, you just want people to hand you things like you fucking earned it.
What? You want some reparations too?
I mean, Jesus Christ! Give me a fucking break around here!
Setelah perdebatan panas itu, percobaan baru dilakukan. Mereka memilih dirinya sendiri, namun hal itu ditolak sistem hingga akhirnya masing-masing diminta untuk memilih seseorang di samping kanannya. Percobaan pertama gagal dan menewaskan seorang pria.
So let's work together. We can't keep turning against each other.
Yeah, that's what they want us to do.
Maybe they're watching us right now, studying us. Let's not give them what they want.
Hey, everybody, vote for yourself. You can't vote for yourself. It doesn't let us.
All right, then everybody vote for the person to your right then.
Pada percobaan kedua, hasilnya seri antara seorang pria berkacamata dan perempuan hamil. Setelah kejadian itu, mereka baru dapat menyimpulkan tujuan permainan itu, mengeliminasi semua orang dan memilih satu orang yang akan keluar sebagai pemenang yang hidup.
Right? Well, what do you think happens when we get down to the last person left?
One of us gets to live.
Orang-orang mulai berniat untuk menyingkirkan perempuan hamil dan anak kecil di sampingnya untuk memperebutkan peluang hidup mereka. Namun, hal itu menimbulkan pertentangan dan membuat mereka terbagi menjadi dua kelompok. Kelompok yang mendukung untuk menyelamatkan anak dan perempuan hamil, serta kelompok yang ingin menyingkirkan mereka.
One of us do get to walk out of here, it should be one of them. Why's that? Because it's common sense.
If we get rid of them, we'll all have a better chance.
She counts as two people.
Come on. Don't do anything. You have to know what happened.
What is wrong with you people?
She's just a kid. Why would you go after her?
He's right. We need to protect them now.
We don't even know what kind of a kid she is. I mean, what if she's a miserable brat?
She's like 10.
Hey, kid, you get good grades? Yeah, straight A's?
Oh my god, she got a B. Let's kill her.
Kill them both! Fucking kill them!
Suasana menjadi hening dan seorang pria mengusulkan untuk mencari relawan sukarela yang mau mengorbankan nyawanya demi memperlambat waktu mereka.
What about volunteers?
What?
Volunteers?
Are you nuts? I don't know. Maybe someone wants to step forward. Anybody?
Volunteer. My son, Oscar, he's passed away last year. He was too ready his motorcycle.
You'll see him again.
You think?
Absolutely.
I forgive her. Go in peace. Bye, everybody.
Seorang anak lelaki berusia 16 tahun mengajukan dirinya sebagai sukarelawan dengan alasan tak mau membunuh siapapun. Tetapi hal itu tertunda karena seorang pria tua menggantikannya.
I'll do it. How old are you? 16? No, someone else.
What do you mean, someone else?
He's a fucking kid, man.
Why?
I guess I just don't want to kill anyone.
What's your name?
I'm Sean.
He's a stupid kid. He doesn't know any better.
I don't care if you volunteer, you volunteer.
No. It's fine.
Setelah itu, barulah anak lelaki bernama Sean mengorbankan dirinya. 3 sukarelawan sudah mengorbankan nyawanya untuk memperlambat waktu mereka. Beberapa orang mulai merasa frustasi pada keadaan karena sadar tak akan selamat dari permainan itu.
Thanks, Scott. Thank you, Scott.
Seorang pria berjas hitam yang meragukan keberadaan Tuhan mulai menumpahkan semua kekesalannya pada keadaan dan berkata bahwa seharusnya mereka menuhankan mesin yang membunuh mereka pelan-pelan. Ia membuat kesalahan dengan mengatakan bahwa orang-orang yang bertuhan adalah orang yang bodoh sehingga membuat banyak orang kesal dan memilihnya. Namun, hasil pertama pemilihan itu membuatnya tetap hidup dan menewaskan seorang gadis berbaju hijau yang berdiri tak jauh dari tempatnya.
I'm a minister. God is watching over all of us. He has a plan.
Faith in something? Have faith in this! Okay, because that's God in here now. Right? That's God right now in here. So pray to Him or ask Him even better. I mean, what does thou sayest, God? Who among us will get to go to your divine kingdom? Hey, if there is a God, He doesn't give a shit about any of us.
That's not true.
Oh my God, we're all dying in here. Faith when people are being blasted to shit left and right. That's fucking ridiculous.
95% of people believe in God. You're in the minority.
Yeah, well, 95% of people are idiots.
Are you calling us idiots?
I'm not calling anybody idiots, all right? All I'm saying is this. If there is a God... Fuckers are gonna kill me because you're afraid I'm right? What are you doing? Fucking cowards, huh?
Wait, please. I didn't even say anything wrong. He did.
Who the fuck is this?
Seolah belum puas dengan keonaran yang dibuatnya, ia mulai menuduh seorang perempuan di sampingnya dan meributkan tuduhan itu hingga membuat perempuan bernama Christina menangis. Sebelum pada akhirnya pria berjas hitam itu tewas.
Porn star, I get it now. It's a huge difference.
What? I'm not a porn star.
Everybody's gotta make a living. I don't have a problem with it.
I don't do porn.
All right, whatever. You're gonna have a bunch of kids on your own? Settle down by the beach? Is that what you're gonna do, Stacy?
Permainan berlanjut dengan meminta sukarelawan dari para anak muda yang berada di ruangan karena beberapa orang tua berpikir mereka belum memiliki tanggung jawab terhadap hidup istri dan anak di rumah. Beberapa anak muda menolak hal itu karena mereka masih ingin melanjutkan hidup dan berencana untuk menikah. Pencarian sukarelawan itu menciptakan keributan baru karena seorang pria berkemeja putih mulai memojokkan perempuan lesbian agar menjadi sukarelawan mereka. Selama perdebatan mereka berlangsung, mesin terus memakan korban baru.
You know what? Why the sudden interest in me? So how about you tell us about your life?
Easy. 41. I've got 2 boys, 18-month-old baby daughter.
That's it, your turn. What does your husband do?
I have a wife.
Oh, so you're a lesbian.
Yes, so what?
Pria berkemeja putih semakin gencar melakukan usahanya agar perempuan itu tersingkir dari permainan dengan menyangkut pautkan dosa dan kecenderungan seksualnya. Ia mengajak agar orang-orang menyetujui pendapatnya agar orang-orang yang dinilai memiliki dosa paling besar disingkirkan. Hal itu justru membuat pria berkemeja putih itu tewas pada pemilihan berikutnya. Orang-orang tidak menyukai pendapatnya yang terkesan homofobik. Kebingungan menimpa mereka lagi yang baru menyadari bahwa jika hanya satu orang yang selamat, maka anak kecil atau perempuan hamil itu harus ada yang secara sukarela mengorbankan dirinya. Tak ada pilihan bagi mereka, harus ada yang dikorbankan untuk membiarkan satu orang yang selamat nantinya.
What does that mean?
What?
It means that if it comes down to one of us and one of them, somebody would have to sacrifice themselves to save the other.
Yeah, right. And who would do that?
I would.
We should decide.
Not to decide anything. Everything gets you killed.
Di tengah ketegangan itu, mesin menunjukkan hasil yang sama pada sepasang teman selingkuh yang akhirnya memilih mati bersama. Akhir kisah cinta yang cukup romantis di tengah-tengah tragedi memilukan.
You should have never married that asshole.
I know.
Kevin.
What happened?
They tied.
How romantic.
Ini mereka benar-benar terjadi menjadi dua kelompok, saling berperang satu sama lain untuk mempertahankan atau justru menyingkirkan anak kecil dan perempuan hamil, memperebutkan suara terbanyak. Satu persatu orang terbunuh seiring berjalannya waktu. Keadaan menjadi sangat menegangkan dengan persaingan suara yang begitu timpang.
What to do next. You all know what needs to be done. Yeah, but for that kid, it's the only chance that we have. God! Pathetic, man. You kill a kid to save your own life. Yeah, that's right. I want to live just like you. No. Yeah. Well, we'll see what you do when it's your ass on the line. No, I don't think you will. What's that supposed to mean? Huh? What, you're gonna kill me now? Why? Because I want to live, huh? Everybody vote for the kid. We're voting for you.
All right, make them tie again. They'll both die. That's fair.
What? He's right. We'll take that trade. What are you doing? Don't do it. She's just a kid.
You want to live, right?
Yeah. But I don't...
I want to kill a little kid. It's okay.
It's over.
Everybody vote for the guy with one arm.
Oh, please, man.
No. Listen. If we get rid of him, it'll even things out, and we'll actually have more time to talk about this.
Seorang marinir yang terancam nyawanya karena berada di pihak menyelamatkan anak mulai menyerang pihak lawan dengan ancaman membunuh istri seorang pria bernama Craig.
G.I. Joe next. He's the leader of the pack. Kill him first, the rest the cave.
Great idea. There's only 13 of us left. We only need 7.
There's nothing you can do. We've got the majority now.
Let's vote for her. He wants to protect her. Let's put him to the test.
Hey, just wait a minute, okay? Listen, if you kill me, you'll die, and she'll die next. We all know that.
Come on, please.
Oh, fuck, okay, yes, I'll switch. If I can pick somebody else. Wait. All right, everybody vote for the black guy. Wait.
Fuck y'all, man!
Of course. True love conquers all.
Tetapi setelah kejadian itu, mereka mulai mengungkap kejanggalan yang terjadi, menguak fakta bahwa sepasang suami istri itu bukanlah pasangan sesungguhnya ketika si perempuan tidak bisa menyebutkan nama pria yang mengaku sebagai suaminya. Mereka berbohong dan bersandiwara. Pria bernama Craig itu mati pada akhirnya.
Probably not even married.
What? Think about it, people.
The odds of them being the only married couple and they just happen to be placed right next to each other? They just made this whole thing up to get our sympathy.
When's his birthday?
April
9th. April 9th.
What's his parents' names?
Mark and Lisa.
What's his name? You already said his name.
That's right, he did.
When?
The first time he spoke, he said his name.
She doesn't know.
Just drop it, man, okay? Okay, we made it up. It was her fucking idea.
What?
Yeah, I just went along with it.
No, he said it first. I had nothing to do.
Kini mereka yang masih bertahan kembali meributkan jumlah suara mereka. Berbagai rayuan dan argumen dikeluarkan untuk mendapatkan suara terbanyak. Pada pemilihan berikutnya, mesin membunuh 4 orang sekaligus.
How about you? What side are you on? Well, you don't speak? But listen, you still have a chance to make it out of here. There's 11 of us left. We just need 6 votes. If you join our side, I promise I will keep you alive.
Listen to him. He's just trying to use you.
You have a daughter, don't you? What's her name?
Chloe.
It's a beautiful name, Chloe. And your partner?
Wife. Amelia.
Chloe and Amelia. Do you want to see both of them again?
I'm sorry.
Wait a minute. Hey, that's 5. We just need one more. The army guy.
No! That's somebody else.
Cancer lady.
What?
No. All right, you all know who to vote for.
Orang pendeta yang mengorbankan dirinya untuk mengulur waktu.
Yes! It's 3-3. There's no way you can protect them now.
Kini, hanya tersisa 6 orang di ruangan itu. 3 orang pria dan seorang perempuan. Perempuan hamil dan anak kecil. Hasil pemilihan mereka pada akhirnya membunuh seorang perempuan yang berbohong sebelumnya, menyisakan 5 orang di ruangan.
Okay, how about this? I'll make you a deal. You give me one of them, and I'll give you her.
What?
Which one do you want? Either one doesn't matter to me.
What? What are you doing?
Okay, deal. You get the little girl, I get the phony wife.
Okay, deal.
Wait a second.
It's okay. Listen.
No,
Trust me. Just.
no.
Okay, it's your turn. Go. Hey, go. It's your turn.
What are you doing? Vote for the kids! Are you nuts? Vote for the kids! What are you doing? Vote!
Come on, vote! Please, vote! Vote!
Jesus Christ, why didn't you vote?
Pria berbaju hitam mengetahui situasi. Ia tahu bahwa pria tua berkemeja di seberangnya yang tak pernah berpendapat itu tak pernah memilih sekalipun. Ia hanya diam dan selamat hingga sejauh itu.
I think that there's a reason why he's still alive.
So, what does that mean? That he gets to live?
Maybe. It's one way to know for sure.
Yeah. Come on. Come on.
Kini tersisa 4 orang. Pria yang tak pernah memilih itu tereliminasi pada pemilihan berikutnya.
Do you want us to vote for you?
He knows we don't have a choice.
Mereka pun tiba pada babak akhir permainan, menewaskan banyak orang dan menyisakan seorang pria, perempuan hamil, serta anak perempuannya. Mereka berasumsi bahwa mereka hanya dijadikan bahan penelitian oleh para alien yang menculik mereka, membuat mereka saling membunuh sekaligus mengadili sesamanya. Hanya ada 1 orang yang akan keluar dari tempat itu. Sang pria meyakinkan 2 perempuan di hadapannya untuk memilih dan berkorban agar menyelamatkan seseorang.
Once I'm gone, one of you is gonna have to step forward, otherwise you'll both die.
I'll go.
It's very brave of you. For the baby, right? What's your name?
Katie.
Okay, Katie. We'll go together. Okay?
Okay.
There's no more time. Do it!
Dikejar oleh sang waktu, Anak perempuan bernama Katie itu mengorbankan dirinya secara sukarela sambil menangis. Ketika Katie melangkahkan kakinya keluar lingkaran, di saat yang bersamaan, pria berbaju hitam itu memilih perempuan hamil dan menyebabkan keduanya tewas. Namun, tidak usai sampai di sini, belum sendiri karena janin dalam perut perempuan hamil masih terhitung dalam permainan. Tentu, ia tahu harus memilih apa untuk mengakhiri permainan itu.
All that for nothing? All that. What's the matter, huh? They chose to kill each other. That's what you wanted to see, right? Huh?
Segalanya berakhir dengan ia yang terbangun di tepian sungai dan banyak piring terbang yang melayang-layang di langit. Ia tak sendiri, beberapa orang pun berhasil selamat dari permainan serupa. Lalu, film pun selesai.
What do you think happens when we get down to the last person left? It's a game. It's a process of elimination. The last man standing gets to walk out of here alive. We all know that we can't vote for ourselves, right? Well, between the kid and the pregnant girl, I'm sure it's most likely going to come down to one of them in the end. It has to end this way. You're going to have to decide for yourselves. I can't do it for you. You don't have much time.
Konsep yang bagus untuk film bergenre fiksi ilmiah yang menyajikan observasi sosial terhadap sekelompok orang dari beragam latar belakang. Sayangnya, meski plotnya cukup menarik, tetapi terlalu banyak pertengkaran dan perdebatan tak perlu di antara mereka. Banyak aksi yang diperlihatkan dalam film. Namun tenang saja, hal itu tidak sedikit pun mengurangi ketegangan dari terbunuhnya puluhan orang dalam suatu ruangan yang asing. Salut dengan sutradara sekaligus penulis film ini. Mereka menciptakan akhir yang tidak tertebak sama sekali dan plot twist yang sangat mengejutkan. Pesan-pesan tersirat yang disampaikan sepanjang film yang berkaitan dengan nilai manusia dan moralnya. Ya, secara keseluruhan film ini cukup menarik ditonton jika kalian menyukai film-film observasi macam ini. Jadi segitu saja teman-teman pembahasan film kita kali ini, dan terima kasih untuk kalian yang menonton konten ini sampai akhir. Sekali lagi terima kasih dan wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.